Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another exciting Disney vlog. Today we're headed to Magic Kingdom and here's my fit that I have planned. I'm going very Rapunzel themed. I got my Rapunzel ears with me. So let's head on over to the park to have a great Magic Kingdom day. On our shuttle on the way to the park, we saw the castle, which I love when this happens. It just gets me so excited for my day at the park. We made it to Main Street, and as you guys can see, it was a little cloudy out, but I was happy about this because I'll take cloudy over the heat any day. And then we finally made it to the castle, and honestly I don't think I'll ever get used to seeing the castle. Every time I see it, it's just as magical as before. We then headed on over to Tomorrowland. Our first ride of the day was Space Mountain. This was my second time riding it, and it was just as fun as the first time. We continued our journey out of Tomorrowland and actually headed to a different angle of the castle, and there was like no water under the castle today, which was really strange, but I think it had to do with like the repainting. But this angle of the castle was just beautiful. I found these like flowers that were just gorgeous. Definitely the perfect photo op. After randomly running into that parade that I had never seen, it was so cute, we headed on over to Fantasyland to see the iconic carousel. We were gonna go on it, but unfortunately it was like 20 minutes and we just weren't in the mood at the time, so we skipped on over to Rapunzel Land, my favorite, especially because I was dressed as Rapunzel. I definitely took my time in this land today, just soaking it all in, taking pictures, and just enjoying myself in Rapunzel Land. The next ride we went on was Haunted Mansion, of course. This is a ride I'll never skip at Magic Kingdom.
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Be sure to bring your gifts.
Then we ran into Tigger and Pooh, but they were literally running away from me, so I barely got any footage of them, which I was disappointed, but honestly I was just glad to see them. We were hungry from doing so much in the day already, so we headed on over to the Starlight Cafe, and I just got the simple chicken tenders and fries, and I also tried this Soli slushy, which was blue raspberry, so 10 out of 10. And then as we were leaving the cafe, we ran into Tigger and Pooh again. They had come back, and I was so happy because I got better footage of them. I could see them up close more, and Tigger was so cute. I've never seen him in Disney, so I was just so happy I caught them for a second time. We headed on over to the Storybook Circus. Here we decided to ride Dumbo because the line was so short and we low-key just needed a chill ride to just calm down for the day, and it was so fun. Then we headed on over to the Barnstormer because it was right next to Dumbo and only like a 10-minute wait. And guys, I didn't realize how fast this ride goes by. It's probably like, no joke, 30 seconds, so I think I'll skip that one next time. We then hopped on the railroad as a quicker way to take us to Main Street. Here we did a little shopping because we were in the search of matching t-shirts, and I found this adorable sweater, but I did not buy it because it was low-key $80, which I was not spending $80 on one sweater. So we continued searching, but still no t-shirts. Then we found the t-shirts we liked, and we got these purple princess ones, which I think are just so cute and iconic for Disney. And then finally it started raining, so I quickly put my poncho on, and it low-key looked a little silly and I was struggling, but it's okay. And then for our next ride of the day, we headed on over to Tron Light Cycle. I'm not gonna lie, for this ride I was a little nervous because I didn't remember how it went, but it ended up being so much fun, and all those nerves for nothing. I highly recommend. It was probably the most fun ride of the day. After Tron, we headed to the Pinocchio Village house for dinner, and I wasn't that hungry, so I just got a Caesar salad, and this one was not the best. Honestly, I've had better. Now, we didn't have too much time before the parade, so we could only squeeze like one more ride, and we chose Tron again because it was just so much fun the first time, and our goal was to ride it like during the nighttime, but unfortunately it was still light at like 8 o'clock, so don't really know what that was all about, but it was still super fun at the second time, and they did turn the lights on. We were getting ready, looking for the perfect spot for the Disney night festivities, and there's nothing like the castle at night. Honestly, I'll never get used to it. It's always so beautiful. Just Main Street in general at night is like one of my favorite things to see. All the lights are just beautiful. And of course, I had to finish off the night with a Mickey ice cream. I chose the sandwich over the bar this time just because it was a little less messy. And then we found our spot by the castle to wait for the parade. Then we did move closer to the front of the castle just to get a better view of the fireworks show.